children, welcome to our EVS class. In our last class, we finished the A part of our 13th chapter, Air and Water, right? My dear children, today we are going to start the B part, that is water, of our 13th chapter, Air and Water. My dear little ones, are you ready? Shall we start the class? My dear little ones, do you live without water? No, right? We cannot live without water. Water is very essential for us to live. Dear children, can you tell me any use of water? Yes, we use water for drinking. My dear children, so let's see some other uses of water. We use water for drinking, bathing, cleaning, washing, etc. And water is also used for agriculture. My dear children, do you know what is agriculture? Agriculture is the practice of growing crops. Plants also need water for their growth. So, we use water for agriculture. My dear children, so what are the uses of water? Yes, water is used for drinking, bathing, cleaning, washing and agriculture. Like we, the human beings and plants, animals and birds also need water for their growth. They cannot live without water. Dear children, do you know from where do we get water? Yes, we get water from well, river, ponds, canals, etc. If there is no ponds, rivers and canals, we have to take water from the underground. Underground means below the surface of the earth. So, if there is no ponds, rivers, etc., we have to take water from below the surface of the earth, that is from the underground. The water we get from the inner layers of the earth is called groundwater. My dear children, once more, what is groundwater? Yes, the water we get from the inner layers of the earth is called groundwater. My dear children, look at this picture. What is this? Yes, this is a well. This well is one of the important source of water. When we dig the earth very deeply, water comes out from the inner layers of the earth, and this source of water is called as a well. We can take the water from the well with the help of buckets, pots and motor pipes. Okay, dear children, have you understood? Okay, shall we read the textbook? All of you take page number 65. Water. We need water to live. We need water for different uses such as drinking, bathing, cleaning, washing, etc. We also need water for agriculture. Even plants, birds and animals cannot live without water. If there are no ponds, rivers and canals, we take water from the underground. The water in the inner layers of the earth is called groundwater. When we dig a well, water comes out from the inner layers of the earth. We take this water with the help of buckets, ports and motor pipes. Okay, my dear children, have you understood all of you? Okay, dear children, it's time for winding up our today's class. See you in the next class. Thank you.